Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the extreme spike indicator for MT4 and MT5. Okay, whichever version you desire, just check the description below and download your indicator. After that, just head over to your platform, whether it's MT4 or MT5. Proceed to the indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. After that, you get back to your navigator and refresh. Okay, once you're done refreshing, you should find the extreme spike indicator. If you can't find it, you might have to restart your terminal. Okay, so here we go. We're going to drag and drop. Ensure that you allow daily imports box is checked. Then for the settings, you can see the custom settings available. Feel free to modify them according to your taste. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. It is designed to instantly detect sharp price spikes, okay, and volatility surges. All right, so you might be able to identify exhaustion points with this indicator and potential reversals. As you can see here, when this indicator got to this point and painted this green dot, and started reversing back down, it showed that the bullish move was already getting exhausted, right? And it was a sign that a bearish move was incoming. And you can see at this point, this shows that there was already bearish exhaustion and an incoming bullish move, all right, and so on and so forth. And then you can see here, this blue line appeared showing that there was bullish exhaustion already, right? And then you notice that there was actually a downward move, and now we can see that the red line has appeared showing that there is bearish exhaustion, and you can see that this green line is already curved upward, showing that a bullish move is imminent. Okay, so if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you'll be among the first to know when a new video drops. All right, don't neglect risk management because it is very, very important. All right, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.